Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again from the Appalachian Ocean. And within this video, I want to share a few suggestions for the first things to grill on your grill. Now, if you don't have a grill yet, expand this video's description and click the link there, because I've linked the grill like I use. Comes in a variety of different colors. I highly recommend it. And but if you're new to it, you got your grill set up and you don't know, I mean, there's so many things that can be grilled. I mean, if you're a vegetarian, you're probably going to be looking at vegetables only. If you're not, there's so many meat choices. Not just, I mean, you've got chicken, you've got beef, you've got pork, and then you get into seafood, you've got fish. There's so many things. You can grill pizzas. I mean, there's so many things that one can grill. But within this video, I want to talk about, you just got to grill. You want to do something simple. If you mess it up, which is a reasonable possibility, if you mess it up, the dollars lost is as low as it can be. So with that being said, your first time grilling, I mean, you don't know what you're doing yet, and that's why I encourage you to subscribe and ring that bell and check out my grilling videos playlist, and comment below, ask your questions below, and I'll try to answer your question or questions within upcoming grilling videos here on my channel, youtube.com/IrixGuy, where you're watching this video. But the thing I always recommend first is a hot dog. Yes, it's a hot dog. Hot dog can be thrown in a microwave. It can be boiled in a pot of water. It can be cooked in an oven. But a hot dog can also be grilled. And a hot dog is a great point of entry for grilling. First time you've grilled, well, what are you going to grill? Typically hot dogs, now you can get some of those fancy hot dogs that are marketed and enhanced price tags, but a basic pack of hot dogs, typically not that expensive in today's economy. And the good thing about hot dogs is that most hot dogs that you find, the basic ones at the grocery store, most of those hot dogs are typically pre-cooked. So that's the other value add. You're not risking, being new to grilling. You're not cooking something like, for example, I would never recommend chicken for a beginner because undercooked chicken can make someone really sick, and the same with pork chop and other meats. But with hot dogs, typically they're pre-cooked, and you can look on the packaging. But that's a good thing to know, that, well, if I don't cook it as long as I should, at least I probably won't get sick from eating a hot dog. But so a hot dog on the grill is a good starter, because you can use your tongs, and I've linked the tongs within this video's description. And you've got your grill going with the charcoal, and then you got your hot dogs on there. You're flipping them over with the tongs. You're seeing the grill marks appear on the hot dogs as the hot dogs cook. So you're getting the visual pleasure of watching the hot dogs cook. You're getting the aromatics from the charcoal while the hot dogs cook. Not just the smell of the charcoal, but also the meat, the hot dog. You smell that, it's like, oh man, this is next level good. I mean, this is, I've microwaved hot dogs, but I've never grilled a hot dog. So you're getting the visual satisfaction. You're getting the sensory satisfaction from the smell and the appearance. And then ultimately, once those hot dogs are ready, and we're, subscribe, check out my grilling videos playlist, see all my cooks, all my grilling tutorials. But once they're ready, typically at the ends of the hot dogs, you'll start to see them kind of shrink up, and you'll see that excellent coloration. And the best thing is, once you've got that hot dog ready, and again, hot dog is the first cook for anybody that's new to grilling, you want to really impress. What you do, you get the hot dog buns, and you don't put them directly. This is something I'll discuss in depth within other grilling videos. But typically what I'll do, I'll put the charcoal towards the center of my grill, leaving the perimeter without charcoal directly underneath. The reason I do that is that with hot dogs, for example, once my hot dogs are ready, then I get the hot dog buns, and I put them around the perimeter of the grill for a minute or so. Let them sit, flip them. What that does, that toasts the buns for the hot dogs over the charcoal. Not burning the buns, because like I said, I've got the charcoal in the middle of the grill, but it's adding the texture, it's enhancing the texture of the hot dog buns. It's adding a little bit of coloration because it is a grill, You know, you may see a little bit of grill marks in the hot dog buns, but it's also adding charcoal flavor to the, or I shouldn't say charcoal, I should say wood flavor to the buns as well. So you're getting a grilled hot dog with that great grilled flavor. You're getting the bun with that smokiness and, you know, texture as well. And you're serving it up with whatever you put on it. Mustard, ketchup, maybe you put some relish on there. Maybe you get fancy and dress that hot dog up with cheese and pepperoni. Maybe you put some pickles on there. That's the beauty of a hot dog. Cooking the hot dog is simple. Like I said, look at the package. Most hot dogs are pre-cooked. Cooking it is simple. But once it's cooked, and once you perform those additional steps, and you've plated it and you've served it, that simple and affordable hot dog has become something exceptional, not just from a cosmetic and taste perspective, but also the feeling of self-pride that I cooked this hot dog. So that is the first cook. A hot dog is the must, in my opinion. I wouldn't cook it. First time grilling, it's got to be a hot dog, because you can take all that, make it fancy, make it satisfying. And if you mess it up, if for some reason you burn the hot dog, it's a minimal financial loss in comparison to, say, well, at the time of filming this, a $45 steak. I mean, I know that I would personally, if I was new to grilling, I would much rather ruin a, I don't know, say $5 pack of hot dogs instead of a $45 piece of meat. So it's got to be a hot dog for the first time grilling. And we're going to just go into a ton of detail. Like I said, subscribe, ring that bell, and check out my grilling videos playlist where you're watching this, and you'll see all my grilling videos. And as I mentioned, I've linked the grill, the tongs, like I mentioned, all of that. Expand this video's description and click the links there. And most importantly, ask your questions below, post your comments below, and I'll try to respond within upcoming videos. And if this video made you feel really good, not required, but deeply appreciated if you choose to do so, you can choose to click that link down below this video. It says thanks, and you can choose to send me a super thanks. And what that does, that supports the creation of videos like this one. Hope your first time grilling turns out great, and I hope that you do choose to grill hot dogs the first time that you grill. So like I said, check the package. Most hot dogs are pre-cooked anyway. The risk of getting sick is minimal, and it's simple, and I think you're really going to like it. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.